Happy New Year, guys! Thanks for watching Cooking with Hua. Today I'll be making cucumber kimchi. I recently purchased a mandolin slicer and I just love how this blade is evenly cutting all of my cucumber slices. I'm also going to switch the blade and use it to grate all of my carrots. It also has a protector so then you don't end up cutting any of your fingers. This is not a paid sponsorship. I paid for this mandolin slicer myself and I just want to share the love because it just makes all your cutting time a lot easier. And I'm also going to slice up one green onion. This cucumber kimchi is super easy. And right there you have some gochugaru, and I also have some sugar, salt, and garlic powder in the blue bowl. Now you want to add in your sugar, garlic powder, and salt to your sliced cucumbers and give it a good massage. Massaging the cucumbers is actually going to help the pickling process quicker. And this dish is best served right away as soon as you make it. It's not like the regular kimchi where you have to let it ferment and age for a while. Now I'm going to add in the Korean pepper flakes, which is gochugaru. And you can add in as much or as little as you like. I like it really spicy, so I'm actually going to use this entire bowl of gochugaru. The Korean pepper flakes are pretty spicy, so I would suggest using a food glove when you want to mix it with your cucumbers. Otherwise, your hands will be pretty spicy for the rest of the day. And continue to massage the cucumbers with all the ingredients. Recipe is super easy. If you're ever in a bind and you don't have any kimchi left, and if you have cucumbers, I would suggest making cucumber kimchi because you can actually have it right away versus regular kimchi where you have to let it wait around and ferment for a couple of days or even weeks before you can actually eat it. And let's not forget about our grated carrots and also your green onions. And you're just going to gently massage it for about another minute and you're almost basically done. In this recipe, I'm only using garlic powder, but feel free to mince up some real garlic and mix it in. I just can't be bothered right now because when I'm in a pinch for time, I want it quick and easy. If I have garlic powder, I'm going to use it instead. But feel free to use regular garlic and just mince it up if you have time. I'm not sure where all you guys are located, but I'm located in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and it is freezing out here in the Midwest. I'm getting over the flu, actually. I'm just finally starting to feel better, and I was really craving my cucumber kimchi recipe. And right at the end, all you really want to do is just drizzle a little bit of sesame oil on top. It's very fragrant and toasty, and it's gonna just bring that extra flavor profile to your dish. Comment down below and let me know where you guys are from. And continue to gently massage. At this point, give it a taste. Check to see if it has enough salt. If it does, then you don't need to add any more, but if you would like to add a little bit more salt, you can. Now I wanted to keep this vegan, so I didn't add any fish sauce, but if you wanted that extra umami flavor, you can add in a splash of fish sauce. And I'm just piling on the kimchi cucumber up high, so it just looks nicer for presentation. And then I sprinkle a little bit more green onions, and I also sprinkle some sesame seeds. And that's it. Super simple. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Now, I'm not sure if you guys know, but I do have a website. It's www.cookingwithhua.com, and I have other recipes there that aren't on my YouTube channel. So make sure to go over there and click down below and subscribe to my mailing list. Thanks for watching Cooking with Hua.